Well guys, welcome back to the channel. We're round baling. We're picking up some bales tomorrow. Didn't wind rake this because the wind is very bad. Having fun in the sun with the air conditioner, stereo. I got 99% UV, nanocarbon, microcarbon window tint. I tinted these windows myself. I used to do a little tinting back in my younger days. Didn't forget, have the heat gun, have all the equipment, but I just do it for myself now. And guys, all I can tell you is that this nanocarbon, microcarbon stuff keeps out 98 or 99 UV and heat. So, you know, even if you do half of your tractor, this stuff helps a lot. I don't do a lot of work at night. I did 25%. I could have gone darker, but because I wanted to start doing videos, I didn't want to go darker. So here's my homemade little bracket. It's a piece of angle iron with angle iron welded at a degree there so I could bolt into the arms. There's my alarm. And my thing needs adjustment right about there. It's pretty even in the back. And there we go. Back it up. Kicked out another bale, baby. So I have some bales that don't look pretty. That's okay. Those are going to my cattle this weekend. I wouldn't sell something like that unless they request it. And right now they're requesting anything. But yeah, I still have 2 more pans that I need to do. This is the John Deere 5101 with a John Deere 457 round baler that we've had a while. We just doing little repairs to it on and off, and as you can see out there, there's a little different coloration. That's where the wind literally took the windrows and spread it out. And she's ready for another run. Guys, thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate you all a lot. And enjoy the ride. So guys, I'll rake up whatever's left over off the round baler. I didn't rake it because it was so windy. But we'll see what comes out. Just doing some square bales. With the John Deere 5101E and the John Deere 328 square baler. We got a customer coming to pick some up right now. Let's see how these things come out. windrows put together. I mean, it's popping out those bales every 10 feet. Sometimes every 3 feet, every 2 feet. I'm going on first gear, low. And I have a customer coming for these bales right now. This has a lot of coastal mixed in it right now. This little area here, this is why I like to cut this area for horse hay. It's really fine, very fine with the stem. That throat just swallows it up. Just like a round baler, it does a pretty good job. The John Deere baler, at least this one right here, when the grass is a little wet, it doesn't do real good. And they didn't do real good for us on sorghum Sudan, or when we were planting red top, hay bracer type thing. It kind of slipped a lot. This is going to be a mess, guys. This was a bundle of a windrow. Oh, see, that's halfway up the tractor. This is going to be a cluster. Suck it in, baby. Back it up a little bit, then suck it in. Man, I'm thankful for this power reverser these things have. Come on, take it in. Seven bales came out of that little thing right there. There's still grass throwing on the floor. These are good heavy bales. A lot of bales. A little bit of grass in between. I did do a few windrows with a round baler. Again, this is John Deere 328 square baler. I think this is John Deere's smallest square baler. But it does a really good job. Take it in, let's go.